Oh, we are going to start off the day using the Big Kingsford charcoal. Oh yeah, we're getting there, slowly but sure. Hey everyone, no traveling video this week here. So we have some graduations going on here. I have my sons and two of my nephews graduating. So congratulations to all three. I am very proud of you for what you have accomplished here. Now your venture begins going into another direction here. So hats off to all graduation seniors. Congratulations again to all. So I guess as I'm sitting here barbecuing, I'm letting old Smokey here get into its smoking part of it, as you can see there. Yeah, I don't know if that came out good. I can't see that. So I guess a little bit about me. I guess I'm gonna do a little bit of vlog about why I do my travel channel a little bit. I won't get boring into it. Let's rephrase that again. I won't make it boring as much as, okay? So my travel blog really is about travel, and I try to give you that to show you a little bit about the area that I cover. I normally do around the New Orleans, and when we say areas, we meaning more of like the surrounding parishes or counties, as some people would say. That's what we mean by the area, right? So there's all kind of areas and stuff, the things to do around close by. New Orleans has a wonderful history of food and culture. The people here are just absolutely great to hang out with. We love to party. That is one thing about New Orleans. We do love to party. Now, from the food, oh my gosh, from jambalaya to crawfish, you name it, seafood. Gosh, I mean, I can go on and on and on. But as you know, there's tons of videos out there that present that, and we are going to get into that a little bit more, because when people come to New Orleans, they really want to experience the entire, I guess you could say, the culture and the food of everything, right? So you want to see, what does the city really have to offer besides just, you know, going down Bourbon Street. But Bourbon Street to me does not excite me as much, maybe because I live here. There's a lot of drinking. Yeah, you can drink anywhere you want. If you're a beer lover like me, there's a lot of places you can go for beer. Coffee lovers, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to do about the coffee. And there's a ton of coffee shops all over the city, and any place you can go. Snowballs, that's another thing. There's wine tasting. You can get your hard liquor from alcohol to specialty drinks, hurricane, hand grenades, stuff like that. And I'm missing quite a bit more. And of course, another thing that New Orleans is famous for is the haunted locations. So yeah, it's a great stuff. Now, of course, you know, New Orleans does not have, you know, the Six Flags or like you see in Orlando or everyone. Now, I won't say Orlando, because Orlando does not actually have the theme parks. It's away from Orlando. Correct me there. It is not in Orlando, right? So Universal, Disney World, SeaWorld, stuff like that. Six Flags, they had one here, but that is no longer because of the hurricane. So hopefully one day that will, New Orleans may change, but I don't ever see that happening. So a little bit by myself. Yeah, like I said again, I love to travel. I try to bring you a lot of places as best as I can. I go visit all over. Oh, Smokey there's popping. She's getting close to time to put the meat on the grill there. And that's one thing about here and down in the South. We love to barbecue. We love to have crawfish balls. We love to have fun with the family. So that's some of the things that we like to do a lot. And today, I'm gonna barbecue. So as we're barbecuing, and I'm gonna show you my barbecue, I'm gonna talk a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't get too boring. I don't want you to get bored with me. Anyway. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, those ribs do look nice. So we got them cooking up. They're gonna be ready in probably in the next few more minutes here. Oh yeah, we in a good range right there. Right in that barbecue flavor. Perfect. May reduce it down a little bit there. Don't want to get it too high. All right, so the ribs are off and chicken is up next. So Smokey is rocking. Look at that. She's cooking for me there. It's such a beautiful day. I wish I was. Oh shit! A damn bee was right. Damn wasp! I hate wasps. A wasp is just nothing but an a-hole with wings. That's all they are. Hate them some. Excuse my French. All right, let's check up on this chicken. What's the best thing about barbecue chicken, right? I mean, we are.
Good.
It's
awesome.
It's delicious, right?
Yeah.
That is looking great.
And it takes a lot of time to cook, though. People.
Oh yeah, look at that, girls.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. We got the sausage and the hot dogs going here. Black Angus beef burgers. Look how beautiful that is. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I didn't want to make it too boring for you, but I hope you enjoyed me barbecuing here. Hope you kind of enjoyed that. So look, next week I'll definitely bring you another video. We'll go traveling somewhere, but I can't do it this week because of the big graduations for our nephew, my nephews, and for my son. So till next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Tell them. Say it. That's what's up.
Oh my God. Alexander Castro, Lenore Castro, Hannah Davis, India Cavalier, Carolina Sheehan, Zakiah Clark, Trinity Khan.
He's just thinking he's good all the time. What's up with that? What's going on?
Patrick Gordon. Lynn Marie Cortez.